From burnout to breakthrough, is YouTube your escape plan? You don't hate working. You hate how you're working. And maybe, just maybe, YouTube is the escape hatch you've been looking for. In 2023, 27% of US workers quit their jobs, citing poor work-life balance, low pay, and toxic company culture. Simultaneously, the creator economy was booming. There are now over 435,000 full-time YouTubers in the US alone. This is the story of how your 9-to-5 burnout could actually launch your YouTube 5 to 9. Let's break it down. The real reason you're miserable at work. According to Drive by Daniel Pink, fulfillment at work comes down to 3 things: autonomy, doing things your way, mastery, getting better at something meaningful, purpose, knowing your work actually matters. Most jobs give you none of that, at least not right away. But YouTube? You start with all 3: your ideas, your pace, your purpose. What makes YouTube different? YouTube teaches you the meta skill of learning: script writing, editing, SEO, audience psychology. All real, transferable, 6-figure skills. In a world where AI is replacing tasks left and right, being able to figure stuff out fast is the only true job security left. YouTube trains that muscle every single upload, because unlike traditional jobs where you wait years to climb a ladder, YouTube lets you build your own ladder. The strategy: from side hustle to main hustle. Ali Abdaal didn't quit medicine overnight. He built his channel while working full-time. By the time he left, he wasn't escaping, he was evolving. And you can do the same. Still scared? Good. That's what makes this worth doing. Not everyone will upload. Not everyone will push past the cringe of their first video. But if you do, you unlock a version of yourself your 9-to-5 will never let you meet. If you hate your job, start a YouTube channel. It won't fix everything overnight, but it might just change your life forever.